This how to 1 minute will show you how to make a Discord server with bots. First of all, open your Discord, and to create a new server, click on this plus icon. Click on create my own, and you can create a server for club or community or for me and my friends. So I'm going to be selecting here for me and my friends, and enter here a server name. Click on upload to add your server profile picture. Click on create, and as you can see, my server has been successfully created, and it's time to add bots to this server. To do that, I'm going to open this website top.gg. This is a very popular website where you will get lots of free bots and servers. Once you're here, make sure to select Discord bots tab, and you can search for a particular bots from here. For example, I want to add Me6 bot to my server, so I'm going to type in here Me6, hitting enter, and this is the actual bot I'm going to add to my server. So I'm clicking on invite, and click on this select the server drop down and select the server form to add the bot. Continue, authorize, ensure that you are not a robot, and as you can see, the bot has been successfully added to my server. So this is how you will be able to create a server, and you'll be able to add bots to your server. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up, and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.